All right, let's clear out a Thorium 5. We're going to use escorts. We're just going to take our time. Whoa, 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 what are you doing? It was an automatic. Didn't want an automatic. And we're just going to use our escorts wisely. We're going to take them out one at a time. I'm slow, but it gets done. We just keep slowly defeating the base, and with just escorts, you can clear a Thorium 5. It takes time. If you're in a hurry, this will not work for you. If you're not in a hurry, this will work just fine. And every time I send an escort in, the goal is to keep damage below 5 minutes so that you can do instant repair. It doesn't always work, and what I've done is I've made more escorts because these guys are like wonder killers. They do a great job. And if you keep it under 5 minutes, you can just keep doing it. Takes a little bit of time, but when you're done, you can do as many bases as you want because your escorts are all fully repaired. And I have 4 escorts in each platoon or each squad, and I have 16 in a tune. As soon as he fires one time, I stop. Because all they're trying to do is get all the soldiers out of the towers, and then by resetting, you don't have to kill them. They're gone. All right, get rid of the 4 towers. Now, this is going to be a problem right here, so let's see if we can get rid of him. And here, I will send in 4. Because the quicker you kill it, the less damage you take. Bingo. Less damage you take, the quicker you can repair, the quicker you can get back at it. All right, that's basically the front. Now we just take out piece at a time, and you use your escorts expeditiously, means carefully. You just take out whatever you take out. You don't want to have a whole lot of damage. He's gone. Send somebody else in. We didn't get him. You got to get him. Okay, retreat. I used to have only 16 escorts. I decided, holy mackerel, these guys are such effective killers. And if you just do a little bit of damage every time. Oh, wait, we forgot about this guy. He's always over there. You got to kill him. Sometimes you kill some of the little guys. Makes it easier. And sometimes you don't. But you take out the big one. Okay, here. He's the most dangerous right now. So you take him out. One shot. After one shot, you stop. That's it. Boom. And that way you get very little damage. And then in just a moment, we're going to quickly repair them. If you want, what I've also done, sometimes I send in my jug tune. They're all damaged. They're all damaged. They're all damaged. Okay, we're on escorts too. All right, here we go. Again, take out the things that can do the most damage to you. Kill them first. And then it's easier to get rid of all the little soldiers that are in there protecting the base. Boom, you're done. If you like to spend money, you can let them do a lot more damage, but then you got to wait to either wait a long time to repair them, which I'm not willing to do, or you spend money, which I'm not willing to do. So I just get a little bit of damage, retreat them, send in another one. Okay, after this one, we got to do some repairs. So who's, okay, let's, the ones that are going to do the most damage are right here. Okay, that's it for that. That's the only one. So we'll take him out. Then we'll go repair. All right, that's it. Now we'll quickly repair. Hopefully it won't take a whole lot of time. Basically, you're just going to continue doing the same thing. Send them home. Let me see if I can put this on pause. I don't think I can.